What you see here are two dual furnaces. Both are over 97% efficiency. These are one of the most efficient heating systems within the industry. Both furnaces are up off the floor. The bottom panel on both furnaces are secured and sealed, airtight. As you can see, we have no garden hose, no vinyl tubing. This is all rigid, quality PVC on our drain and condensate water piping to the floor drain from the equipment. Every job looks this way. The larger pipe above the furnace is the intake exhaust. This is the combustion air that enters the furnace and that leaves the furnace and then goes to the outside wall of the home. What you see here is an April air humidifier. This is for heating only. This is a must-have in this climate for heating operation. It provides humidity into the home when need be through its own humidistat or control. This is an April air humidifier. All of our seams are sealed, airtight. What you see behind the furnace with the white pipe coming out from the cabinet is our cooling coil. Inside this insulated cabinet is our cooling coil, which will cool the home during the summer season. Again, our water piping or tubing is not garden hose or vinyl tubing. It is all hard, rigid, sealed, airtight PVC right from the appliance to the floor drain. This is a non-clogging type system. We build quality into every system we install. Extremely important on your installation. What you see here is our new gas line. It is labeled and tagged per appliance, meaning each gas line goes to an individual gas appliance. In this case, the other furnace. This is a high pressure gas line, 2 pounds, going to the other furnace. On the other end, it will have a regulator to drop the gas pressure to operate the other furnace effectively. As you can see, our gas valves are full port gas valves, extremely important, very rare within the industry, meaning you have 1/2 inch opening within that gas valve, which is a non-restrictive flow of your natural gas to each appliance. Again, we label each gas line with its own individual shutoff. This is for the other furnace. This is the second furnace that you see, which controls the other half of this home. Again, very plumb, very secure, and non-clogging water drain piping to your floor drain. The larger white PVC piping is your combustion air, intake and exhaust. This goes to the outside of the home. This is 3-inch Schedule 40 PVC that goes right out to the outside wall of the home. On this second furnace, we have a zone system as well. This controls the other half of the home. When the red light is on near heat, That means that the furnace has been activated. The green lights at this time mean that the furnace is inactive. The thermostat is not calling for heat, and the furnace is basically at the off position at this time. Our refrigeration lines, as you can see here, are all tailored and customized with true 90-degree bends. These bends are brazed bends, cut and brazed all the way to the outside wall. A very professional installation. Again, on this furnace we have an April air humidifier, and as you can see, our seams are all taped. Very important. This is the same with our ductwork that allows the air to travel through the home. Our seams are all taped, secured, and airtight. Again, our gas line. Everything is labeled. Each and every installation looks exactly like this. We provide a lifetime warranty on these products through the manufacturer. And a 10-year warranty on parts. This is the other zone system for the other furnace. Again, this is in the off position. It is very important that a professional such as our organization and installation personnel provide the actual craftsmanship and workmanship on your installation. We are unmatched in our application and in performance. Again, these furnaces do not have any hot pipe, therefore actually maximizes the efficiency of the furnace in the way the design of the furnace is made. That is through a primary and secondary heat exchanger, which is a condensing type furnace. Water will come out of these furnaces on an average day, cold average day. It will basically fill up a 5-gallon bucket. That's why it is very important to install these systems the way we install our systems, with non-clogging PVC, condensate, or water drains.